Considering that a lot of us are spending more time online than ever before, it makes sense that Facebook has responded to this by releasing new features for its apps. One of the best yet is Watch Together, which lets you and others watch videos with each other from around the world. Whether you just want to host a movie marathon or share something funny you've stumbled upon, here's how you can use Watch Together. To use the feature, you'll have to first start a video call. There's a limit on participants, so keep that in mind before you jump in. If you're using Messenger Rooms, you can use the feature with up to 50 people at a time, while the limit goes down to 8 people in a regular video call. Once at least one person is in your room, you can start setting up Watch Together. If you're on a phone or a mobile device, just swipe up and tap Watch Together. From here, you can browse suggested videos under each category or use the search bar to find a particular video to view together. Once you've decided on one, tap on it to play for everyone. You'll still see thumbnails of people watching with you below the video itself. While it's playing, you can tap on it to display any on-screen controls if they're required. You can add any latecomers by swiping up and tapping on Add People. To exit out of the video, just tap on the X icon in the top right. If you've started or answered the call using your desktop browser, you can start the fun by clicking on the Watch Together logo in the top right of your screen. Controls will remain visible and thumbnails of everyone watching will appear on the left side of your screen. It makes for a much cleaner experience than on mobile. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Messenger and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.